Could dramatically change the way you buy a home. The National Association of Realtors has agreed to settle a series of lawsuits over commissions. Those are payments that agents get from a sale. As part of the settlement, Standard's commissions could be slashed. Full disclosure, my brother-in-law is the vice president for political advocacy for the National Association of Realtors. So NBC News business and data correspondent Brian Chung is going to take all of this for us. Brian, you have been covering this story. Explain to us what is going on here.
Yeah, well, I mean, this is a big deal for both home buyers and home sellers. But long story short, we are still trying to figure exactly how this will change the home buying process. So commissions alone can add thousands of dollars to the price of a home. The National Association of Realtors, also known as NAR, represents 1.5 million agents nationwide. It faces a series of lawsuits from home sellers who claim the group's rules force them to pay excessive fees. So here are some of the main points of the settlement. The NAR would pay $418 million in damages to those home sellers over about 4 years. And it would allow buyers and sellers to negotiate fees and compensation with agents up front, which would essentially eliminate the standard 6% sales commission common in many home sales. Now, the NAR continues to deny any wrongdoing. The interim CEO released a statement saying in part, quote, "The NAR has worked hard for years to resolve this litigation in a manner that benefits our members and American consumers. It has always been our goal to preserve consumer choice and protect our members to the greatest extent possible. This settlement achieves both of those goals." A federal court still needs to approve the settlement. If it does get approved, though, the changes will go into effect sometime in July. We may not know specific details until then, but the potential impacts on the real estate industry would be huge. Home prices could drop if home sellers pass along the savings from any lower commissions. Those could amount to thousands of dollars, but it could also add a step for those first-time sellers that are opting to negotiate the fee. Either way, buyers and sellers would have more negotiating power. And Ellison, the bottom line is there is still a lot to be figured out here, but this could really dramatically change the way that the home selling, home buying process is done nationwide.